Hey, is that better? Hey, I think today we're going to talk about Hawaiian sea turtle. But before we do, I just got a text saying my package has arrived. So let's go to the mailbox, pick up my new fins. Come on. Aloha and welcome to Maui Napper. Yeah, see, these old ones, they're split right across the blade. That is so not going to work. Yay, new fins! There's something magical about sea turtles. I think we can all pretty much agree on that. Whether you get to see them sunning themselves on the beach, or watch them feeding along the shoreline, or especially if you're in the water, one happens to swim by or hangs out near you, you get to spend any kind of time with them. There's something very moving and almost spiritual about the experience that sticks with you a lifetime. Of all the hundreds of times I've been in the water with them, every time is still just a joy and a pleasure. It's such a treat to be able to spend time with a sea turtle. There's just something about it. I don't know how you really explain it. There's probably words, but I don't know. It's kind of beyond words, I think. There are those who may say they're not a turtle fan or may even scoff at that, but I think once you've actually spent time with a turtle, it's such a moving experience that it changes your mind, changes you. The experience is one of those things that everybody yearns for if they haven't had it yet, and if they have, they carry it with them for a lifetime. So today I'm going to share with you an experience I had recently of filming a Hawaiian sea turtle among the rocks by the shore. A lot of vegetation grows right there in that surge zone, so the turtles are right in there with it. It's a little tricky sometimes when you're swimming, but the turtles, of course, are built for that with their tough shells and their leathery skin, so no worries for them. So at any rate, I'll show that, and hopefully you enjoy it. If you're a big turtle fan, go ahead and click on the like button. And I was thinking to make them a turtle feature kind of a regular thing, maybe weekly, but I don't know. What do you think? Maybe make a Turtle Tuesday or a Turtle Thursday or something like that. So anyway, click a like if you're a turtle fan. Mention in the comments if you'd like to see Turtle Tuesday or Turtle Thursday, and we'll see about making that part of a regular thing, or at least somewhat regular. Anyway, enjoy the video. Oh, and there's also a bonus for you at the end of the turtle video. Enjoy. Well, I hope you like that turtle footage. They're so much fun. And now for your bonus. Last night's sunset was just spectacular, so I filmed a little time lapse of that for you, which I'm going to show in just a second. But I wanted to remind you, go ahead and hit the like button if you like sea turtles, you like this video, and comment down below if you want to do Turtle Tuesday or Turtle Thursday. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Join us. And hit that little notification bell so that you get notified whenever new video is out so you don't miss out on anything. Well, anyway, thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time. Aloha.